Yes. Item number 20. Maybe adjourn after vacation.
May it please, my lord. My lord, item number 38, my lord. I am for respondent number 3. We have filed one affidavit, my lord. I pray for requisition of the same, my lord.
Give the slip.
My lord, obliged.
May it please, your lordship. In respect of item 44, my lord, I have prayer, my lord, if your lordship can take it up at 2, my lord, upgradation. It's a habeas corpus matter or after the motions, as your lordship may please.
We'll have it at 2 o'clock.
My lord, deeply.
May it please your lordship.
Inform the other side, Mr. Dean.
Yes, I have already informed, my lord.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I file an additional affidavit against item number 19. Lordship, can it be called through?
Give the slip.
I beg to mention item number 15 and 36.
1-5.
1-5.
36. What's your prayer?
My lord, matter will take it up after vacation.
My lord, I have similar prayer in case of item number 35, my lord. Advocates, concerned advocates are outside of
Item?
35. 35. Bless me.
May I please your lordship? I have mentioned for item number 28 and 29. Kindly pass over the matter for the day, lordship.
Not for the day. It will go after vacation. It will go after vacation.
Yes.
May I please, my lord, if time permits, my lord, item number 45, supply, my lord, may be taken up at 2, my lord. Some IA has been filed, my lord.
I 2 there is a habeas corpus matter. Thereafter we'll see.
My lord. May I please, my lord, here lordship will find, my lord, the impugned order at page, my lord, 101, my lord. Basically, my lord, the evidence of the, my lord, her mother has not been, my lord, considered by the tribunal. Mother says, my lord, she is my daughter. That was not considered by the, my lord, tribunal. Is 101, my lord, the impugned order, my lord. And property part, my lord, at page 109, last paragraph, my lord. DOP has not been able to establish link with her projected father, whose name appeared in the voter list of 1970. Yes, sir. Now, mother's evidence, lordship will find at page 57. And 59 is says, my lord, paragraph 7, that Momirun Nessa is my daughter, who is not a foreigner, but citizen of India by birth. That a specific, my lord, positive statement made by her mother was not at all considered.
Counsel. counsel appearing for the petition. LDB 1, Honorable 2, 10. G. Sharma, not G. Sharma, P. Sharma, P. C. Sharma, 6, 7, 9. Impugn opinion dated 04/09/2018. Passed by learned. Member Fairness Tribunal, Kamrup Rural number 1. In GFT within bracket R bracket close case number 646 of 2017. Within bracket reference REF article IMDT DKP case number 243 of 2002. Implementation foreigner minutes of 1946. Were illegally entered into territory of India in bracket Assam on or after 25/03/1971 from the specified territory of Bangladesh. Being a date, petitioner filed this petition on 16/07/2019. Returnable by here before the police order Kamrup Rural on or before 1st October, 1st November.
Develop.
Yes, Mr. Hassan.
May please, your lordship. Lordship will discuss lordship petitioner declare foreigner, post of 71 model. Petitioner submit the document citizenship registration certificate in the favor of the grandfather, migration certificate in the name of father, certificate SLC admit card in the name of the petitioner, my lord. And the as well as the sale deed of the grandfather of the petitioner, which is certificate.
Mr. Hassan for the petitioner. LDB 1, Sharma 2, AIL 3, P. Sharma 5. In opinion, public order dated 04/09/2018. Passed by learned member, Fairness Tribunal 7-4, Palipada. In case number FTDC 656 of 2016, within the being referred by the Window Police Border Sonitpur in reference number TJ within bracket capital B -1043 of 2007 dated 28/03/2007. A 1043/07 appoint the petitioner. To be an illegal migrant who came to Assam on or after 25 January 1970. Same order. Appear before Superintendent of Police Board Sunit on or before 1st of
President. Please, Your Lordship.
My lord, there is an order to file some documents. My lord, I am unable to produce those documents, my lord. So, my lord, your lordship would be pleased to call for the records. Call for the records, my lord. In the records, those documents are available.
MSLDB 1 6 Z Sharma 2 3 P Sharma 4 AILE 5. Impugn orders less opinion. Dated 21/12/2018. In case number FT within bracket D 192/2015, being referred by 100 member Fairness Tribunal number 3rd Morigaon. Being referred by the Superintendent of Police Order Morigaon. In reference TN case number 325/1997, dated 05/11/1997. Declared to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946, who had illegally entered into the territory of India within bracket Assam on or after 25/03/1997. Filed this petition on 02/08/2019. Appeared before the Superintendent of Police Board on or with date of first of November.
Obliged.
Extra copies, Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What's your good name?
Lalbhanu Nesa, Your Honor.
Huh?
Lalbhanu Nesa.
আপোনাৰ নাম
Mona Jyoti Raha, Your Honor. Jai Raha.
J. Ahmed.
Jai Raha, Your Honor.
J. Rama. Impugn judgment and opinion dated 30/04/2019. The landed member Fairness Tribunal 1st Mongol Dorong. In case number 3057/2011, corresponding to 134/2010, being referred by the Superintendent of Police Border Mongoldoy Dorong. Declared the petitioner to be a foreigner. Illegal migrant who had entered India, Assam on or after 25/03/1971. Filed this petition on 19/08/2019. Appear before the Superintendent of Police Board of Dorong Mongoldoy on or before 1st of November.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, petitioner declare foreigner Christoph 71, my lord. In this case, my lord, petitioner submit the brutal list of 1966 in the name of the father Mahadev Sukradar. Then after petitioner submit the provisional inner line permit, my lord, in the name of the petitioner along with his father, my lord. Then after petitioner submit the brutal list of 1989.
Petitioner. LDB 1 4 Z Sharma 2 6 KIL 3 E Sharma 5 slash opinion dated 0905/2019. Well, member Fairness Tribunal number 2nd Borpeta. In FP within bracket second bracket close case number 970/2016 being referred by Superintendent Police Board of Borpeta in reference police within bracket IM D2 bracket number case number 50047/B/98. Declare the petitioner to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946, who had illegally entered into the territory of India, Assam, after 25/03/1970. Filed this petition on 22/08/2019. Appear before the SP border on
Obliged.
1st of November. Representation on behalf of the petitioner for consider in the court list. Mr. MSLDT. Mr. 1 and 6 Z Sharma 2 4 P Sharma 3 AILE 4 sorry AILE 5 being agreed with the impugn order slash opinion 1607/2018 passed by London member Fairness Tribunal or better. In FP case number 54/2016 on being referred by the Superintendent Police Board or better. Declared the petitioner to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946 who had illegally entered into the territory of India, Assam from the specified territory on or after 25/03/1971 without any valid document. Being agreed with the said opinion, that is such and such. Order should be opinion. The petitioner filed this in petition 12/09/2019. The same that even on the last two occasions when the matter was taken up for consideration, i.e. 19/02/2021 and 22/01/2020, the petitioner remained unrepresented.
My father's name appears in the voter list 1966 as Orjun Vishwas. Lordship. Kindly see page 13. Lordship.
What's your good name?
Yes, Islam. Lordship.
Yes,
Islam. Lordship, my name is not appearing in the voter list. Lordship. I am appearing on behalf of Ami Muhammad.
Mr. Assistant Managed Counsel, on behalf of Mr. Ami Mahmood and Counsel for the petitioner. And LDP 1. C. Sharma 3. 6, 7. P. Sharma 5. Date 25/07/2019. Caused by Lamrit Member Foreigners Tribunal, Pokrajhar in KFT/D/ case number 2995/012. R/IM D/D case number 2152/98 being referred by the Supreme Court Police Order. Reference PS I case number 2152/1998. Declare the petitioner to be a foreigner who had illegally and who had entered into the territory of India in between 01/01/1966 and 25/03/1971. You have not registered.
No, still.
Why? They agree. Petitioner filed this petition on 17/09/2019.
I think registered lordship. Registered.
Well,
53 lordship, page number 53.
after this order,
Order.
after this order,
Mm.
17/09/2011, in spite of how the petitioner after the impugned opinion dated 25/07/2019 in said KFT publicly with case number 2995/2012 passed by the appointed by the London Member for the Tribunal, registered himself under the Citizenship Act under Section 6A of the Citizenship Act 1955 by filing necessary application before the Supreme Court Police Pokrajhar. The concerned foreigner registering authority went to place border proposal on 26/08/2019. At registration number 243/2019. To that extent, the petitioner has annexed a copy of registered application dated 26/0/2019 as annexed. On the returnable date, the state coordinator NRC Assam shall apprise the court how the name of the petitioner entered in the NRC list in spite of declaring him to be a foreigner by the impugned opinion dated 25/07/2019. In terms of the order of the court passed earlier in this proceeding on 03/02. First of all,
Macho.
soft copies
Fatima.
none appeared for the petitioner on LW 1, Z Sharma 2 and 3, AILE 4, LW 1 and 6, and P Sharma 5. By the impugned judgment and order / opinion dated 16/05/2012. First in case number FT within bracket capital D oblique D bracket 256/10 in police reference D oblique N case number 1733/98 dated 24/06/1998 being referred by the Superintendent of Police Border Morigaon, learned member of Fairness Tribunal 2nd Morigaon, declared the petitioner to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946, who had illegally entered into the territory of India within Assam from the specified territory of Bangladesh on or after 25/03/1971. Being agreed with the said, the impugned judgment order / opinion dated 16/05/2012. The petitioner filed this writ petition on 10/09/2019. The order is reflected given at the last occasion on 06/05/2020 when the matter was taken up for consideration. The petitioner remained unrepresented. Name of the council secretary, name of the council has been declared in the policy.
Please, Lordship. Petitioner's father's name appeared in the voter list of 1970, Your Lordship.
What's your good name?
Yes, sir, Your Lordship.
being referred by the Superintendent of Police Board of Achar, the learned member of Fairness Tribunal Court, Achar, Silsa, in case number F.T.4/P/177/2015 within bracket I/case number 13500/1998. By the impugned judgment and orders plus opinion dated 18/07/2018 declared the petitioner to be a foreigner who had illegally entered into the territory of India within Assam on or after 25/03/1971 from this specified territory. Being agreed with the said impugned judgment and order slash opinion dated 18/07/2018, noted above. The petitioner filed this writ petition on 1/10/2019. Expert judgment. No, expertly. Appear before the Superintendent of Police Board of Kachar on or before 1st of November.
Yes,
Your good name?
SD Balsalo.
LW 1/4. G Sharma 3. Eight. P Sharma 5/7. On being referred by the Senior Superintendent of Police Order, Guwahati City, learned member of Fairness Tribunal Kamrup, within bracket M, bracket close, second Guwahati. Case number 481 of 2015 by the impugned order/opinion dated 15/03/2019. Declared the petitioner to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946, who had illegally entered into the territory of India within bracket Assam from the specified territory of Bangladesh on or after 2403 only 24/03/1971. I agree with the said impugned opinion dated 15/03/2019, noted the court the petitioner filed this petition on 4/10/2019. Appear before Deputy Commissioner of Police, Kamrup City, right, Mr.
Yeah, yes, Lord, come on.
Metro? On or before 1st of November. Service. Ahmed, you want LDB 1/6 AILQ C Sharma 3/5 Sharma 4. On being referred by the Superintendent of Police Board at Dhubri by reference number BO/DWB/D Kotar /2011/3463 dated 19/05/2011. D Kotar case number 202/D/06. The learned member of Fairness Tribunal 6th Dhubri at Pilasipara. In FT 6th Dhubri case number 61/18 by the impugned opinion dated 26/06/2018. Declared the petitioner foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946 of post 1971 stream, who had entered Assam on or after 25/03/1971 from the specified territory. Being aggrieved, the petitioner filed. Being agreed with the said impugned opinion, it doesn't file this petition on 22/11/2019. Appear before Superintendent of Police Board at Dhubri on or before 1st of November. Not already.
Obviously.
Why this order is bad in law?
My lord, no, my lord. Is an election in another court, my lord. The last provision, my lord, 18/1/2023, there is an order, my lord. There is a reflected in page 41, my lord. The petitioner also stated that his name, his father's name, they are coming from the Bangladesh, my lord.
Please,
In this regard, my lord, we have filed an
Can you
additional-
read Assamese? Can you read?
Yes, yes, my lord.
Come to page number 40.
Yes, my lord. That is 40.
40.
Yes, my lord.
Annexure number 14. That's in vernacular.
Yes, my lord.
Can we read?
অপর পক্ষৰ নামত ভোটাৰ পৰিচয় পত্ৰৰ নাম উল্লেখ আছে মায়া বৰ্মন সম্পৰ্কীয় ব্যক্তিৰ নাম বিশন
Vishnu Varman. If you're
Vishnu-
not acquainted, then come to the English translation. Doesn't
Yes. Name Smith Maya Borman, age is 52 years, that Monteshwar Rai, father, husband name is Sri Vishnu Borman, address Sunsu village, ward number Harmoti, Porona, Hatkula, Mojal, Lalok, police station, Lalok, district, Lakhimpur, subdivision, North Lakhimpur, state Assam, profession, daily wage labor. Whatever I say, I will say to the truth. Exhibit. One voter identity card in the name of the opposite party. The name of the opposite party is Maya Borman, related person Vishnu Borman, age as 2013 in 37 years. Exhibit to the school certificate issued on 8/8/2015 by the Gopalpur High School of Kuch Bihar district. It is mentioned that Srimati Maya Roy, daughter of late Monteshwar Roy, resident of North Gopalpur, Pustafish Gopalpur, district Kuch Bihar, has left this school on 31/12/1972. Is mentioned in the transfer certificate as per admission register. Her date of birth is 15/4/1961. She had studied up to class 5 in that school and failed to get a promotion to class 6. I have studied up to class 5, which is mentioned in the certificate, but I give firm impression. The certificate has been issued by the headmaster of Gopalpur High School. I have not submitted in the certificate copy of the voter list in my parents for the year of 1965 and 1970 before this tribunal. I have also did not submitted any voter list in my name. I could not able to give the proof that I stay at Harmoti. I don't have the birth certificate of my parent. I never casted my vote. I don't have the voter list in my father for the year of 1966 to 1971. My father used to work as a cultivator and daily wages labor. My father and mother are the origin of the Bangladesh. The family member of my father stayed at Bangladesh. My father was born at Bangladesh. I got married and staying in Assam. I could not able to give any document with regard to staying of my parents in India. He herself stated in the cross examination. Later on, my lord, we have filed an additional affidavit, my lord.
Additional affidavit, how? What is
My
let
lord,
us see your written
regarding
statement.
this discussion.
Let us see your written statement. Let us see your written statement.
Douglas. I didn't drop it. I have submitted the brutally since the 1959 in the name of my father, my lord, in the district of Coach Bihar. Find out in letter, my lord. Find out.
Where is your written statement?
The written statement is page, my lord, 33, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Sharma. You have seen. Tell us.
Admittedly, my lord, she is coming from Bangladesh lordship. After and lordship in affidavit lordship, additional affidavit, they have stated in para 3 lordship that the deponent states that her father, after coming to Coach Bihar, purchased a plot of land at Gopalpur via registered sale deed number so and so. However, except the first page of the sale deed got damaged due to flood. Moreover, as the record room of the office of the register Coach Bihar got burnt in the year 1974, the certified copy of the same could not be obtained in this regard. The mother of the deponent has shown an affidavit, lordship. So, lordship, this document also will not help in respect of the petitioner, lordship. This document has no value, and apart from that, lordship, if he is coming from Coach Bihar, lordship, his privileges under section 6A of the citizenship, she could not claim the privilege under section 6A of the Citizenship Act, and he has to prove his existence prior to 1951 in the state of in India, lordship. In one hand, lordship, she admitted that she is a Bangladeshi national, and she is coming from East Pakistan. And lordship, on the other hand, lordship, she realized some document of different state, lordship, which will not help the petitioner to prove her citizenship, lordship.
Mr. F. Hassan, learned counsel appearing for the petition. Devi, learned CGC. What is response number 1? Extended counsel 1 and 4. Z. Sharma 2, 6. 2 and 6. AI Ali 3. E. Sharma 5. On being referred by the Superior Police Board at Lakhimpur, North Lakhimpur. The learned member, Fairness Tribunal, Lakhimpur First, North Lakhimpur. Lakhimpur FT within the first case number 4057 of 2011 within bracket district number 23 of 1997 by the impugn final order/opinion dated 22/11/2019 declared the petitioner to be a foreigner. Foreigners Act 1946 who had illegally entered into the territory of India within bracket Assam from the specified territory of Bangladesh on or after 25/03/1971. Being agreed with the said impugn opinion dated 22/11/2019 noted above, the petitioner filed the said petition on 06/01/2023. Before proceeding further, we propose to examine the relevant records of the tribunal. Call for the records of Lakhimpur FT first case number such and such from the office of the Foreigners Tribunal Lakhimpur first, not Lakhimpur. Registry shall list this matter for motion immediately on receipt of the records of the said Foreigners Tribunal. Relevant record in the interim. Petitioner shall appeal to the Supreme Court. Lakhimpur on or before 01/11/2023. If not all the related
Lordship will kindly see the order dated 23/6/2013. 23.
none appear for the petitioner. No name of two councils have been reflected in the call list. Two councils on behalf of RMSL maybe. And the changes. 6. G Sharma 4. P Sharma 3. Ali 5. By the impugn opinion, on being referred by the Superintendent of Police Order, the Honorary Member Foreigners Tribunal number 5 Corporate in FT case number 417 of 2015 within bracket IMDT reference case number 100 of C of 98 by the impugn judgment and orders class opinion dated 16/12/2017 declared the petitioner to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946. Were illegally entered into territory of India, Assam on or after 25/03/1971. Being agreed with the said impugn judgment and order. Dated 16/12/2017 petitioner filed this writ petition on 06/01/2023. Does it reflects that even on last occasion, on the last occasion, I 11/08/2023, the petitioner remained unrepresented. Dismissed for now.
Please, Lordship. My lord, the name of the father of the petitioner, my lord, appeared in the voter list of 1966, my lord, and 70, and the subsequent voter list also. And the petitioner, along with two brothers, shifted from his native village to another village, adjacent village, where his name is appeared in the voter list for the first time in 1997, and subsequently it is inserted D. That is why, my lord, that proceeding.
অভিজিতের লগত নাম নাই
List 1997. Page 49.
কিবা আছে আমাক আনিব দিয়া নাই নেকি নিজৰ নামটো
But Mr. K. Mahmood, counsel actually petition MSLDP, HGC 1, AILA 2, Z Sharma 3, and 5, P. Sharma 6. You are appearing for whom?
Actually, in this case, I was directed to file an affidavit, Your Lordship, on behalf of the Gambura. So that has been filed, Your Lordship. That is affidavit dated. This was gone on 1st of June.
Also heard MS and Borderline Council was under appearance on behalf of the Gaon Pradhan of village Digir Pump. referred by the Superintendent Police Board, Borpeta. The Learned Furnace Tribunal, number 6, Borpeta. By the impugned opinion, dated 23/09/2022, passed in FT 118/2016, corresponding to reference case number 32/2016, declared the petitioner to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946, illegal migrant who had illegally entered the territory of India within Assam on or after 25/03/1971. Being agreed with the said impugned opinion dated 23/09/2022, the petitioner has filed this writ petition on 15/02/2023. Rule level by private steps in 2 days. Appear before Superintendent Police Board Borpeta on or before 01/11/2023.
I'm appearing for the revenue department. The
You are
revenue
appearing,
department was
you
directly.
are standing for the revenue department.
Obliged.
Impugn order, the contested case matter, impugn order starts from page 85 to 95.
LDP 1, 6, C Sharma 2, E Sharma 4, Ali 5. On being referred by the Superintendent of Police Border Golpara. In reference case number 43 of 2011, 16. The learned member for the Tribunal Court Golpara, Assam. Case number FT within bracket Z-4 bracket close M/505/18 by the impugned opinion dated 12/09/2022. Declared the petitioner to be a foreigner under the Foreigners Act 1946. Legally specified to the on or after 25/03/1971. Being agreed with the said impugned opinion dated 12/09/2022, noted the petitioner filed this said petition on 10/03/2023. Can you get the party number? Case number 2. Impugned opinion dated 12/9/02. Honor of the file number. Issue rule returnable by AD. Yes, sir. No problem. All for that. From the foreigner staff, office of the foreigner staff number of call. The interim, if not taken in the person to the impugned opinion dated 16/12/09 shall appear before the Superintendent of Police Porter Golpara 111. Correct.
But in this case, my lord, I have instructed the petitioner, my lord, to obtain a next of kin certificate, my lord. My lord, it is probably on process, my lord. I will not, I'm not in the position to, my lord, submit that.
To comply with the order is the 31/03/2023. Counsel for the petitioner, Mr. S. Hawk, prays for some more time. To his learned counsel for the respondents, have no objection. Prayer allowed. Place this matter for motion in the week commencing from 28th of November.
Can it be little longer, my lord? Because we have to obtain the next of kin certificate. It makes sense.
When do you want?
My lord, in the month of December 1st. Second week or
On 4th of December.
Oblige.
Contested case and proceeding case number 78 in order. The proceeding has produced a certified copy of Jahabandi copy of village Kanchanpur under Saidoria Muja, Noga district, which is marked
By an
exhibit.
order at the 26th of April 2023,
Yes,
petitioner was directed. Have you complied with that order?
Under circle officer, this report has come.
Hmm?
Let's bring the report from circle. Yeah. The village Saidoria and Kanchanpur, the same revenue village. This one only.
Where from the circle officer has given, how you could identify that Nasser Ali is, whose name is in the voter list of 1965, though he is from Side Area village, but his land is at Kanchanpur village.
Saidoria and Kanchanpur, my lord, is the same.
Maybe adjacent village or maybe in the same revenue circle. That
Yes,
doesn't
my
mean that he is from the same person.
Mm.
How do you prove that a person from the same person?
We file an application before the circle officer that you confirmed its report.
How the circle
Then-
officer proved?
We will submit our 65 voter list and this also before the circle officer. After verifying
Will
that
that
there is
be the
report
proof?
and verifying the documents.
Name of Nasser Ali is the serial number which?
Jawabandi. 27. Twenty-six. That's right. Okay. Certificate, not file in English. Page 35, Nasir's name was mentioned, and in page 31, 38, their legal year's name was mentioned.
Where is the name of Nasser Ali?
Page
the Jawabandi?
35, Nasir Ali, in serial number 26, my lord. page 35.
exhibit করা নাই না ট্রাইব্যুনাল exhibit করা নাই Comment to put.
Card number.
Okay, okay.
আপনাকে last year
And master value to put.
Please come to, you can read vernacular. Page 17. Can you read?
17.
Can you read?
ইয়াৰ্ডৰ প্ৰমাণপত্ৰ দিয়া হয় যে মুছলমান আফিয়া বেগম পিতা নছিৰ আলী और পিতা মৰিদ গাঁও और
Where are you reading Morid? Where it is Morid? It's not Morid. That is the reason we have asked you to read, because this is the handwriting is same. If you compare Mo and Go in that particular letter, you will see the difference.
নৈৰিত লিখেছে নৈৰিত
You can understand Pita late Nasir Ali.
প্ৰপিতা নৈৰিত
Propita late
Nairit.
নৈৰিত লিখেছে
It is either Nerid or something. You can read it no also.
No,
Maybe
Nerid.
Nerid. Then kindly read further.
গাঁও এণ্ড পোষ্ট অফিচ কাঞ্চনপুৰ মৌজা
Now,
চাইডৰ
Aru post office,
কাঞ্চনপুৰ
Kanchanpur.
Right.
Then,
মৌজা চাইডৰীয়া থানা ৰূপহীহাট জিলা নগাঁওখন উক্ত মানুহ যে কাঞ্চনপুৰ গাঁৱৰ 2 নং ৱাৰ্ডৰ বাসিন্দা লোক আছিল তেওঁক মই চিনি পাওঁ তাইৰ বৰ্তমান আনুমানিক বয়স 43 বছৰমান হ'ব উক্ত মানুহৰ নিজৰ নামটো কোনো ঠাইত ভুলক্ৰমে আসিয়া বেগম হৈ আছে প্ৰকৃততে আফিয়া বেগম আৰু আসিয়া বেগম একেজনী ব্যক্তি হয় বুলি মই জানো তেওঁৰ পিতা নিজৰ শুদ্ধ নামটো আফিয়া বেগম ইত্যাদি
this was issued when?
2016
July 2016, right?
16 yes.
Now, please come to the written statement. Page number 15, paragraph 5. Yes, please read.
The true story first is that the answering opposite party is an Indian citizen by birth. Not only the opposite party, her father Nasser Ali is also Indian by birth. The opposite party was born in Kanchanpur under Saidoria, village under Rupuhihat. He is in Nagaon district. She was born in Saidoria and married with Muhammad Mainul Islam. Kanchanpur and Saidoria.
Good. So it is clear that village is Kanchanpur,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Come to page number 23. This is, okay, before that you come to page, the voter list of 1965. That is at page 19. This voter list of 1965,
Yes.
what is the village?
Saidoria.
What is the village?
Saidoria.
Saiduri. 1970 voter list,
Saidoria.
Saiduri. How it relates to Kanchanpur? How it relates to Kanchanpur?
Nearby village. Two villages is nearby village,
There cannot
Kanchanpur and
be-
Saidoria.
Sideria is a different village, Kanchanpur is a different village, Sideria is a Moja. You have seen,
Yeah, under Saidoria, most
So
of
there has to
villages
be-
is there.
so voter list should have been from Kanchanpur. Where the Fawcett have stated that Norid is his grandfather,
Pardon me.
where the proceeding have stated that Norid or Norid, whoever is her grandfather in the written statement.
Written statement there's no mention.
Yes.
But in examination in safe,
Whether the proceeding in her written statement stated that his father had, her father had landed property.
No, my lord. There is nothing mentioned in that schedule.
So if it is not stated in the written statement, how you can include that? It is clear that the property belongs to village Kanchanpur. Village headman clarified that she belongs to Kanchanpur. Voter list is of Sidoria village. In the written statement or in our evidence, there is no mention where from her father obtained the land at village Kanchanpur.
No, the in WS there is not mentioned.
Has it been mentioned?
No, in written statement there is no mention.
It is not mentioned in the written statement.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
why I wanted to know. The court specifically directed on earlier occasion regarding the proof relevant material. And this certificate, how it will help you? This is not based on any such application. It's possible that both the villages may be under the same moja, maybe under the same revenue circle, but these are two different villages. So how this certificate of the circle officer of Rupahi revenue circle will, on what basis he could prove that Nasir Ali, whose name is in the voter list of 1965 and 70 of Sidoria village, is the same person whose name figured in the Zamabandi with regard to the land at Kanchanpur. But it is the very specific statement of the proceeding that she born and brought up at village Kanchanpur. And this Mr. Nasir Ali is from village Sidoria. How do you put it?
After 70, there was a provide
After 70, they have shifted to another village.
Kanchanpur.
No,
Telia support.
75 is Telia Sapuri. That's your annexure. Page number 23.
Telia support is wrongly mentioned. Actually, this one Sidoria support. my lord.
Your wrongly saying will not do. This is
Yes, my lord,
the
yes.
certificate copy issued by the authorities, election officer of Nagaon district.
Also, Lordship, that land was obtained by way of purchase, Lordship, in the year of 1991. That land was obtained by way of purchase, Lordship, not by way of inheritance, Lordship.
You need not to go to that extent.
Yes, Lordship.
Nasir Ali's name figured along with one Rabia Khatun in the voter list of 1965.
Yes.
Rabia Khatun is his wife. But name of Nasir Ali figured alone in the 1970 voter list. But again in 1970 voter list, one Nasir along with Rabia Khatun, wife of Alimuddin.
This one brother of the Nasir. This was mentioned in the
So can't be wife of Alimuddin, has to be a Nasir. But this is at Telia Sapuri village. Another Nasir, another Morid.
কাঞ্চনপুৰ ডকুমেণ্টছ নিলিখনে ৰেকৰ্ড কৰিব লাগিব। ভোটাৰ কেন্দ্ৰটো তাত লিখা থাকে। কেন্দ্ৰ ইয়াত লিখা থাকে। কেন্দ্ৰটো কমপ্লিট কৰে কোন ভিলেজৰ ভুলকে তাতে হেৰি কৰি পথাৰখনৰ লিখা আছে লিখা আছে কি কৰিব আমাৰ ইলেকশ্যনৰ অফিচৰ বনাবলৈ তাতে থাকি থাকে।
When did you receive notice of the case?
May 2016, I think.
Whether your name was mutated?
No. After that time,
Whether your name was mutated?
not at that time.
The line of your father?
My name was mutated on 2017.
Which mutation?
No, 2016-17 902 FMUT.
Which mutation? Glucuron number 2.
555.
555 is the
No, yes. 902. 902.
Where from you got?
Yes, madam.
Which page?
40. First line 17902 FMUT, sir.
There has to be a separate case number. In which club you have land?
555, that number.
So Nasser Ali had land only in 555.
555.
Are you sure? See, basically, the certificate that you have placed before the court. It have been found that what you are doing at page 39 and 40.
Yes, sir.
The circle officer certificate is without anything.
Yes, ma'am.
This cannot be accepted as it didn't form the verification with the 11 records of the nutrition case.
Yes, sir.
That could have been given a different indication. Each one. In application number 379. 25 June 2025. The on 11th pursuant to the order during 26 the petitioner has placed a copy of the certificate issued by the circle officer to read and Julia, the state of Maharashtra, under Arthur Taylor, the number 40 of the setting that necessarily one of the very regarding the program and its
certify the point. That's the certificate happens.
Congratulations.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, in this case, this petitioner has been declared as a foreigner, lordship, as per the last order that is on 26/4/23, lordship. Today morning, lordship, I found an affidavit, lordship, additional affidavit, lordship. That time court has directed this petitioner to procure other information, explore whether further any evidence is available or not, lordship. In this case, lordship, my grandfather name was late Raham Ali, lordship. Now Raham Ali and now the present deponent of this today's additional affidavit, lordship, they are the brothers, lordship. And that affidavit kindly, lordship, peruse. Page 78, lordship, and one NRC of 51, lordship. The deponent and the grandfather of this petitioner named together, lordship. Lordship, this obtained, lordship. Lordship, here it is for members of this copy obtained from members of the Foreigners Tribunal, Lakhipur, Gwalpara, lordship. Lordship, this certificate doesn't show anything. Old document, lordship. I have supplied that only the Xerox copy, lordship. And the case number is there, lordship, and 109/. Yes, lordship, that's why, lordship, may I pray, lordship, let this matter be remanded back to examine this person, lordship. Because he is the person who can, lordship, prove that the linkage and the age relation, lordship, linkage of the present petitioner along with his grandfather's, lordship. Because he is the brother of his grandfather. Written statement, lordship, will find on page 47, lordship. Sorry, lordship, 46, lordship. Here in this case, lordship, my grandmother name was appeared in the 1966, lordship. Since my grandfather expired before 66, lordship, after the in written statement, lordship, para 10 and 11, lordship, he has stated, lordship, this petitioner, lordship, grandmother expired also 1970, lordship. Thereafter, lordship, my father shifted. That was shifting is there, lordship. Written statement, lordship, I have stated everything, lordship. And supporting that, lordship, subsequently this petitioner name appeared, lordship, along with his father, lordship. Petitioner father appeared before the tribunal and deposed, lordship. And that was, lordship, to prove his case, lordship, to Gambura has appeared, lordship. Their evidence also been recorded, lordship. My father's evidence on page 57, Lordship. Visa Sheikh, Lordship. Lordship, this Visa Sheikh is the Lordship brother of my grandfather, Lordship.
Who is your grandfather?
My grandfather is Raham Ali Sheikh. Raham Ali is Lordship in the family tree I have given, Lordship.
At page 26, who is Abdul Rahman?
Abdul Rahman, Lordship, late Raham Ali, alias Abdul Rahman, and Abdul Raham, alias Lordship. These are one and the same person, Lordship. Lordship, that was the Lordship. Lordship, in page 52, Lordship. Page 52, Lordship. Paragraph number 3, Lordship. The name of my father is Majuddin, alias Majuddin. The name of my own mother is Sahara Khatun. The name of my stepmother is Jamila Khatun. Jamila Khatun, alias Jamila Khatun. The name of my grandfather is late Raham Ali, alias Abdul Rahman, alias Abdul Raham. That, Lordship, evidence, Lordship, it is an evidence in chief, Lordship, I have stated, Lordship. In voter list, Lordship, then 1966 voter list, Lordship, it's late Raham Ali, Lordship, only. Page 24, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. It's a Rahman Ali, Lordship. And this is the, Lordship, evidence. Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
Should have been here also late Rahman Ali.
Lordship, here also late Rahman Ali is there, Lordship, in the evidence, Lordship. Page 26, Lordship.
Why it is Abdul Rahman? There is no mention.
That is not given, Lordship. It is a certified copy, Lordship.
That is the reason why
But we have stated in our written statement, Lordship.
that will not help you. If you file any application or whether your father filed any application for correction of the name,
No, Lordship, that was not. Lordship, that is the, Lordship, not our authority, Lordship. That was corrected by that Lordship.
by whom? If there is anything wrong, that is why you are asked to correct it. That's the law. Representation of the people act is very clear.
Yes, Lordship, that's true, but Lordship, these are the village people, Lordship, ignorant about the things, you know.
When you are supporting your document,
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. If Lordship remand it back, Lordship, we can Lordship testify this Lordship this Bisha Sheikh Lordship, whose name is in the NRC of 1951 along with my grandfather. Highly obliged.
My lord, may I please, Lord. My lord, in this case, I pray for 4 weeks' time, my lord, to furnish further documents, my lord.
Is there any other case against this Rohima?
No, my lord. Sure.
Lordship, an additional affidavit is filed today, Lordship. On behalf of the petitioner. It has not come up in the record. Let the matter be fixed after vacation. S. Sharma, Lordship, for the petitioner. Thank you.
Additional affidavit filed. Due to some mistake, or I have come to know and different. I did not mention the amount. I have come to know that it is true that the marriage certificate in this family. Only because of the linkage, my lord. That is along with me, my lord. I have the original copies also, my lord.
admissible document নহয় তো। এই temtem to be
Japan.
যোৰতে আমলম যোৰতে আমলম admissible নহয় document দুটা।
As per order date 25/12/2023, I was directed to obtain one instruction, Lordship, that I could not obtain, Lordship. Some time may be granted, and with just one pair more, Lordship, considering the material annexed with this petition, Lordship, and the age of the petitioner, Lordship, that she is 72 years old, she may be protected, Lordship. 72 years old. And already her brother who casted vote along with her father also deposed before this deposed before the tribunal, Lordship. As GW2. All right.
Will you please alert my lord? Father is voter in my lord 1966. Is 20.
telephone order, Lordship, at page 67.
Lordship, Lordship, in this case, respondent has to produce some documents relating to order dated 26/7/23, Lordship. Lordship, petitioner is an interim. Petitioner is an interim. Interim may continue, Lordship. Obliged.
My lord, item 32 may be adjourned for the PDF. Engage Counsel Jesse Gogoi is out of station, my lord. Obliged.
Lordship, in this matter, I have received the original record. So I have gone for the record, so matter may come after vacation.
Any updated status of the investigation?
Yes, Lordship, I have received.
We have received just withdraw the application.
Almost. Very highly worked.
DC फाइनल रिपोर्ट
हाँ?
DC रिपोर्ट
वही घटा है तो মানে কি অলপ জাম্পিং হৈ থাকে না ৰূপৈ ঘটাওঁ Total is not to raise the মানে তেল নাম্বাৰটো মানে কণ্টিনিউ হৈ আছে মানে কোনোবা ওৱান আছে যদি কোনোবা ফ'ৰ আছে তেনেকুৱা আৰু সেই বস্তুটো চাব আৰু সেইটোৱে কৈছে এইটো অৰিজিনেলো সেনেকৈ আছে অৰিজিনেল চাব কেনেকৈ itu mau apa?
Please, Your Lordship. As per direction of the Honorable Court, I have obtained a certificate from the birthplace of petitioner, Rao Pradhan, my lord. Because my name is appearing in the voter list of 1993 at village Malibari Pathar number 2. Thereafter, I shifted to Guwahati, my lord. Obliged, my lord.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, the English council due to some medical emergency had to visit his native place, lordship. Kindly the matter may pass over for the day, lordship. Interim order passed earlier shall continue, lordship. Lordship.
You want the order to be extended, right?
Lordship.
Tell us when did he appear?
He appeared probably before the superintendent of police. I'm not sure about the date, lordship.
So you have to extend it. You must tell us when did he appear. Subject to the complaint of the order 17. The interim protection granted to
Obliged, lordship.
Council, Mr. Ken Chaudhary, is requested for like accommodation.
Lordship. You have, because we do not want any piecemeal instruction.
Lordship.
We cannot place before the tribunal.
Lordship. Lordship, admittedly, Lordship, in the tribunal, Lordship, we have enclosed only one we have transfer policy, Lordship, and that is for the clinical transfer policy, Lordship. And when the query is made by your Lordship, then only we receive the another set of transfer policy. That's what I have produced, Lordship.
Order of transfer of the respondent.
Yes, Lordship.
There is nothing in that regard.
Lordship, impugn of the order of the transfer is Lordship as because the for the Group A medical officers, Lordship, both the policies are applicable. And
There is no mention in your.
yes, Lordship, that is admitted fact, Lordship. That was not mentioned, and even Lordship in the.
It was not mentioned by you.
Lordship.
How we can say that that order of the tribunal was writing law.
Lordship, actually the fact is that during when the original application was filed, Lordship, that time she has also stated that from the 2015, Lordship, and there is some kind of mistake was made from the authority concerned also, Lordship. Lordship.
So you got an opportunity earlier, right?
Lordship.
In your written statement,
Lordship.
you did not state so.
Lordship.
Coming out with some document.
Lordship. Lordship. Lordship.
That was not your case before the tribunal.
Yes, Lordship. because at that time, Lordship, we made that mistake, Lordship.
My lord, the other day, my learned friend had placed two documents, my lord. One is dated 23rd of July 2018. If your lordship will kindly come to page 3 of the document, clause 6.1. It reiterates the position, my lord, that all India seniority will be counted from 1/6/18. And the other document which my learned friend placed the other day on 35/22. My lord, the document dated 23rd of July 2018. Yeah, please come to clause 6.1, my lord. যোৱাবাৰ দুটা লুজ দিছিলে নহয় এক্সট্ৰা আছে নে we are having copy, my lord. My lord, may kindly come to clause 6.1 to allow all these amounts to be placed in one common all India seniority list with effect from 1/6/18. Yes.
There has to be a common all India seniority list.
And that can be reckoned only from 1/6/18. So 1/6/18, my lord, today we are not even 24, that first 6 years. I think my learned friend had taken enough time. Lordship will kindly protect us, my lord.
Again, for the Learned Council. By Mr. Arthur, Learned Council for the sole respondent. The full respondent of the applicant. Zero one. Zero 6/2018. Brought under the
Readings of my
All India category. All India institution.
All India, my lord, seniority. Or rather, he has been brought to All India cadre, my lord.
All India category.
My lord, that page 320 of that additional affidavit, where that document we have annexed, my lord, dated 4/12/2020. That additional affidavit, page 321, my lord. Para 4.
And it's serving at Belpala. Serving as Chief Medical Officer, NFSC, ESIC Model Hospital, Belpala.
It's a clinical posting, my lord.
A clinical posting. The respondent, the petitioner authority, the ESIC, by an order dated 27/12/2022. As for the petitioner, against which he filed a representation which was rejected on 26/04/2023, and she was relieved from the state court on 28/04/2023. Being aggrieved, petitioner filed an application before the Central Appellate Tribunal Guwahati Bench County, being OA number 040/01117 of 2023. The learned tribunal after hearing the parties order
Three 2020, Lordship, page number 20 of the original application. Writ petition.
03/08/2023. Disposed of the same application of the respondent. The present appellant, present petitioner, ESIC authorities will consider her case at present. Original application as a part of our representation. Documents are at any place in the state of Assam as per policy of the ESIC, and directed the petitioner to communicate its decision to arrive within a period of 4 weeks from the date of the copy of the state order. Directing further that the authorities in the ESIC shall not take any coercive action against the said applicant by the present sole respondent till the communication of the ESIC as directed to the applicant. Being agreed with the said order, it is 03/08/2023 of the CAT Guwahati. The petitioner ESIC have filed this. During the deliberation of the matter, Mr. Position, counsel for the petitioner, placed certain documents, including the communication number PT.F number -A/11/12/15/legal/Joypur/18 bracket MED data NTEC dated 23/07/2018 ESIC communicated to the medical superintendent, EIC Mobile Hospital, including Beltola, Guwahati. We have seen that the submission made by the submission made on behalf of the petitioner, ESIC,
Lordship.
are not the part of the, are not part in the written statement by the state way number.
Lordship.
Ordered. But the same communication dated 23/07/2018 at clause 6.1, there is a specific direction to place all the medical officers in one common all India seniority list with effect from 01/06. According, it is submitted by Mr. Chaudhary and Senior Counsel for the sole respondents have taken that the service of the applicant was brought under all India category medical officer with effect from 01/06/2018. In terms of the communication number US11/11 in bracket 21 number /2022/TTC in bracket MET, it is 04/12/2020. And according, it is entitled for period of 6 years of our posting the same place higher. Yes, with effect from 01/06/2018, which will come to an end only on 31st of May 2024. So, okay. Returnable by 15th of November. Mr. Chakraborty, gonna take it again. So lefty. Respondent shall not take it.
Petitioner authorities, my lord.
Yes, I. Yes,
The pendency shall not be a bar for the consideration of the direction by the tribunal.
and shall pay. Pendency of this petition shall not be a bar for the petitioner of this case. Consider the case of the petitioner.
Deep level.
The secret, have it after you.
My lord.
Our item is working here. There are some review matters. Those review matters may also after vacation. Because we are having schedule that you have to. Yes, my lord. After vacation, review all the review matters. Come after because it is the review matters means here. I can see. My lord, it is 37 and 40.
Even adjourn.
37 and 40 you will have later. My lord.
And also, lordship, item 45, lordship, that may also come up after vacation.
45.
Yes, lordship. Orders in orders.
No, Mr. Montel has. Yes. Is it for some correction?
No, lordship. It has to be hard, lordship.
45.
Yes, lordship.
Mr. Montel will have it immediately after the.
Yes, lordship.
Respected Lordship, Lordship, I am praying for withdrawal Ukalatnama, Lordship.
You cannot do that way. You have to first inform your client.
Next.
Thereafter, only you can do it. Then produce a copy of that letter.
Yes, my lord. We'll take time,
Only you can
Lordship.
consider that way, not simply that you will have make a mention before you can withdraw.
No, what even, my lord? Actually, my lord, one Mohori call. Just I have signed only Ukalatnama, but nothing else. Not.
Yeah, understood. But actually, can and it to the certified court there is a court by filing an affidavit. Not like this. Okay. Yes, Mr.
My lord, will kindly take the eye for a moment, Lord. It's a unique case, my lord. How, my lord, the state machinery is having brought into service, my lord, for illegally taking away the minor child of the petitioner. And my lord, the affidavit has been filed by only the superintendent of police, my lord. The main authority, my lord, the CWC, the Child Welfare Committee, my lord, it was within whose jurisdiction the entire matter should be dealt with, my lord. They have, my lord, given the jurisdiction to police. The police goes before the court for recording statement. The court says, my lord, that decide the matter for custody. My lord, in a single day, my lord, she has been given custody to the husband, my lord. He takes her away. And my lord, there is a basis of my lord, a false FIR that has been triggered by the respondent number 7, my lord. And then, my lord, they don't disclose about her whereabouts. Only in affidavit, my lord, by respondent number 7 in para 49, my lord, it has been stated that she has been put in a boarding school, my lord. We don't know, my lord, where now. But this application, my lord, she would decide the main petition, my lord, and my lord, direct the CWC to file an affidavit, my lord. Time and again direction has been issued, my lord, but they have not filed. Now, my lord, we are on the IM, my lord. Since it's a festive season, my lord, she has not been from 12/5, my lord. Only one day she was produced before this honorable court, my lord, on 19th. My lord, there also, my lord, an attempt was made, my lord, that she doesn't want to, my lord, meet the petitioner. Thereafter, your lordship was pleased to take the matter in chamber, my lord, where that was her birthday, my lord. On that day, cake was also cut, my lord, and my lord, the petitioner has met her child. Thereafter, there is no information, nothing, my lord, about her. At least, my lord, we are saying, my lord, at least you should have been allowed to meet her in the hostel itself, and she should be allowed to contact through phone. And all this happened, my lord, during the pendency of matrimonial and guardianship petitions, my lord, which had been stayed by Apex Court, my lord. Now that has been transferred to Dibrugarh.
What is the statement of the
My lord, that has also not been produced, my lord, in spite of.
No, the registry has been directed by the honorable court to.
My lord, yes, your lordship was pleased to direct the registry.
Well, we approached the honorable, the trial court below, the court below. Court below informed us that if requisition goes from the high court, the registry of the honorable court, they will send it. Accordingly, lordship has directed.
Mr.
No.
Can you tell us where is the
Well, the minor is under the.
custody of the minor was given to the
Yes, yes,
to her father?
yes, yes. And the respondent number 7, along with the minor daughter, they appeared before the honorable court. No? On 2 occasions they come. No?
One. Husband appeared on 2 occasions,
Okay.
minor girl appeared.
The respondent number 7 personally appeared before the honorable court on 2 occasions, and in one occasion the minor she has also come, my lord, with the father. And can you see, my lord, page 157? There is an undertaking given by the father. Whenever is required, he has undertaken to produce the minor. Okay.
My lord, would for a moment also see page 78 in the writ petition, my lord. which your lordship sees page 78, my lord. She was produced before the CGM, my lord, for recording of her statement. But your lordship would see the last line of that order. And that too at a time, my lord, when custody application was pending and stayed by the Honorable Apex Court, my lord. And in our additional affidavit at page 117, my lord, the respondent number 7 filing an objection before the DB court.
Your prayer repetition is only for the production of.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That would be in the, yes, ma'am. That would be when your lordship decide the final writ
What is the
petition.
other prayer?
Lord, my interim prayer is not, she should be given access, my lord, in the
What is
eye.
your interim prayer?
But in the eye which we have filed in, my lord.
You are not made in the final injury petition.
No, no, not in the writ petition. The eye which is before your lordship, my lord. Page 117, my lord, in the additional affidavit that we have brought on record, my lord, if your lordship sees. The respondent 7 himself says the custody of the daughter was handed over to the respondent through the Child Welfare Committee. But under the JJ Act, my lord, the entire jurisdiction lies with the CWC. And my lord, they are silent, they have not filed their affidavit. And the police, your lordship, has seen in what manner, my lord, the child was handed over. Do they have jurisdiction, my lord? And did the CGM or the SDGM has a jurisdiction to, my lord, the deal with the matter, the manner in which it has been done, my lord? And my lord, we have also annexed, my lord, the charge sheet. My lord, your lordship would see the allegation in the FIR is so serious, my lord. And what was the outcome? My lord, minor injury on the 4th little finger, my lord.
What is there in the.
Yes, ma'am. And my lord, the respondent number 4 has filed an affidavit where it has been stated on the.
What is the status of the pending before the district court with regarding the custody of the child?
Lord, the Apex Court has transferred the matter, Lord, guardianship custody petition under the Guardianship Act from Calcutta to Dibrugarh.
That's right. What is the status?
Lord, still, Lord, we are not aware, Lord, whether it's been transferred or not. Lord, last time we inquired, Lord, it is in the process of being transferred. We have not received anything, Lord, notice from Dibrugarh, my lord. Lord, respondent number 4 in an affidavit through the Deputy Superintendent of Police, Lords, quoting the IO, whom we have made person by name respondent, they have not answered. It's been said that her mother, petitioner mother and sister were asked whether they were ready to take the child as a natural guardian pursuant to the order. But in fact, we have got the affidavits from both of them denying this, whereas the mother was not there in Dibrugarh.
These are factual disputes. And basically in this writ petition, the challenge is that the prayer is for habeas corpus, production of the minor girl. The petitioner in paragraph 42, Lordship will see, Lordship, illegal confinement by the private respondent. In fact, there are orders of the Honorable Court, and she appeared before the Honorable Court. And on 19/9/23,
He has not challenged the order here.
Yes, yes.
And the minor has been produced before the court. What remains in this statement?
Correct.
The minor was produced before the court.
Yes,
along with
my
her father.
Yes.
How this petition at this case is mentioned?
My lord.
Your entire case was that the minor
My lord.
could not trace out the minor, who is your daughter. That's what is required to be traced out,
Yes, yes.
right?
My lord.
And to produce all the recording pertaining to the case, that is different.
My lord, the precise issue before your lordships for consideration is, my
There is
lord.
no prayer in this petition. It will not consider that.
My lord, when my lord, matter of habeas,
What remains here? That's what tell us what remains here.
my lord, the custody.
Custody you have not prayed for.
Lord.
That will be an issue before the Dibrugarh court, not
My
here.
lord, therefore, my lord, in a writ proceeding, my lord, of a habeas corpus, your lordship can decide when the, my lord, the custody has been taken illegally.
When the,
And your lordship would see the jurisdiction, my lord, how my lord, the CWC has acted, and they are shying away from your lordship, even not filing affidavit.
No, no, my lord, that is not, that is besides the issue, my lord.
But that is the core issue. My lord,
Pursuant
how the
to,
entire.
pursuant to the honorable court order, my lord.
citizen lawyer, you know,
Lordship.
My lord.
should be within the boundaries this whatever you have prayed for.
Correct, my lord.
Can you go beyond that?
No, my lord, it's part of my pleadings, my lord, that's why.
Where is that? Look at your prayer first. Can you tell us?
What we are saying is, my lord, the CWC has not acted within the realms of the JJ Act, my lord, and therefore, with connivance of the police, my lord, respondent number 7 has taken away the custody of the child.
Just, Mr. Dubey.
We along with other here.
You are fighting with your husband and look at the fate of the minor daughter. The trauma she will have in her life.
Yes, my lord, when your
You are not
lordship,
bothered about that.
my lord, I am bothered about her only, my lord, therefore I am before your lordship, my lord.
Doesn't matter. But we are concerned about the trauma.
Yes, yes, in fact, my lord, is the paramount interest of the child. No, paramount interest of the child that your lordship would determine under whose custody she would have.
That is the reason we are looking for.
Yes, yes, my lord. In fact, my lord, there was a settlement agreement also where the custody of the child in terms of that agreement was to be with the mother. Everything was, my lord, triggered because he has to pay an alimony amount, and, my lord, the entire scene was created. And interesting, if your lordship would kindly see, the custody was given. How could a message has been sent, my lord, could have been sent? At page 88, my lord, will first look. For a moment, my lord. Page 88. Therefore, my lord, when they file affidavit, I'll file my response. Your lordship may take it immediately after vacation, my lord, for adjudication on merits so far as issue is concerned. As of now, my lord, I am only praying, my lord, your lordship may at least, my lord, allow me to have access to her, even telephonically, my lord. And my lord will see respondent number 7. What is his conduct, my lord?
Who is representing respondent, sir?
Yes, my lord.
My lord is aware about that famous case of Dr. Sangeeta Datta, my lord.
Some other property here.
My lord, that is the triggering point, my lord. My lord, how, my lord, the CWC has been, my lord, the JJX says, Lord, even if police is aware, the police will produce the child before CWC. Here the entire thing has been reversed, my lord. The CWC produces the child before police, my lord.
The Honorable Supreme Court. By order dated 19/07/2023. In transfer petition within the C numbers 2014-2015 /2022 filed by the present applicant. Class writ petitioner. Amongst others, allowed the transfer petition directing transfer of case under section 25 of the Guardians and Wards Act 1890 of case number 70 of the 2021 Ravi Kumar Kemka. The rest number 7 here versus Magna Kemka. Pending before the district judge, district South 24 Organas, Kolkata, West Bengal, to the district court of Dibrugarh, Assam. On being inquired, Mr. Dubey, learned counsel for the applicant. Submitted that as on date, the applicant did not receive any notice from the district court Dibrugarh with regard to the said case under section 25 of the Guardians and Wards Act case number 70/2021. Transferred to the district of Dibrugarh from the district of South 24 Pargana, Kolkata West. That relates to that part of the guardianship of the minor daughter of the applicant petitioner, who is presently in the custody of the
So that was an application filed by the husband, mother.
giving the name of the husband. It is in the prayer of the petitioner, the connected writ petition, WPC 27 of 2023. That the this how rescue and produce her minor daughter and accordingly it is stated by Mr. Dina that pursuant to the order of the court, the respondent number 7 along with their minor daughter personally appeared before the court on 2 occasions, right?
Respondent number 7 appeared on 2 occasions. The minor daughter on 1.
Earlier appeared. Do you have any?
19th, my lord, on 19th
Yes.
September. That happened to be her birthday, my lord.
On 19th?
Yes,
19th of September, she appeared.
19th of September. By this application, the applicant petitioner has prayed for regular and uninterrupted physical and telephonic access to her minor daughter and to directly respond number 7 to allow her to visit her daughter at regular intervals during dependency of this case. It's a notice to the respondent number 7. Returned by applicant petitioners.
My lord, we may be permitted to serve through email also, my lord, because my lord, the respondent number 7 has 4 addresses, my lord, in different petitions. Is said. My lord, will serve, my lord. Your lordship will just indicate that we can serve through email, my lord. Earlier, your lordship was pleased. The very first order, my lord, by which notice was issued in the habeas corpus was moved before the vacation bench, my lord. And since my friend appears, I also served him, my lord. My lord, it's very difficult to trace him, my lord. My lord, if he goes through email, my lord, how prejudice would be caused to him, my lord?
How do you know his email?
That he's husband of the petitioner.
You do not know that is the email. No. He hasn't furnished anything before the court.
But let me send him, Lord. That's through communications has been made, Lord. Earlier also, Lord.
He has four addresses, you send it to the four addresses.
Lord, what prejudice will cause, Lord, if it's sent through email, my Lord? That your Lordship may permit.
First of all, so that it's his email.
My Lord.
Where from you are showing that that is his email? Have you mentioned anywhere? Mr. Dubey,
My Lord.
have you mentioned anywhere in the constitution that is his email to us before making that prayer to us? Where in the constitution you have shown his email?
My Lord, when notices was served, my Lord, I have filed an.
In the constitution, we will ask only to that extent.
My Lord, we are aware, my Lord, that's why we see. My Lord, my Lord, we have served, after issuance of notice, we have filed an affidavit, and my Lord, in that affidavit, we have said how we have served all the respondents, my Lord, including. Please. If you apply, my Lord.
We could file the affidavit today, no? It is in fact on record. On behalf of the respondent number 3, no?
We'll have it after this. Number
3, my Lord. The Secretary Home, my Lord.
number 3. Secretary comes to Assembly for Political Department. Tell us 21. Now the affidavit is filed, you file your reply.
Immediately after vacation, Lordship.
We'll have it on 7.
Lordship. We will be allowed to file
May it please your lordship. In this case, we had challenged the closure of the FIR, which
Well,
was
here-
closed without notice.
Here, my Lord, I have received the instructions. Kindly give me, my Lord, let it be immediately after the reopening. I'll file the affidavit, my Lord. On 7th, I will file.
May I pray, lordship, that the respondents bring before your lordship the status report as to what has happened.
We'll see the FR. First of all, along with all the details you get.
My Lord,
Basis of which the magistrate has closed.
I have received the instructions, my Lord, and the FR, they said that they have submitted it to the honorable the court, my Lord, and the court has accepted and closed the matter. Lordship.
But the notice was issued to the informant.
My instruction says that along with the FR, notice was also prepared and it was placed before the court, my Lord. My Lord, before acceptance of
It is an FR, it is the duty of the investigating officer to forward a copy of the FR to the
informant.
My Lord, both the things have been, my instruction says both the things have been submitted to the court. I'll come up, my Lord. I'll come up with
the petitioner, the informant was informed on.
notice copy I have seen, but I don't know how it is. I'll tell.
What will you do, ma'am? We'll have it on, the affidavit shall be filed on or before 7.
Lordship.
We'll have it on 10.
My Lord.
Right? Not in the speech of the council, very important. But even after so many orders from the court, direction from the Supreme Court, as per the provision of the status, if you have not informed the informant. Can you tell us?
Lordship.
It is CGM Kamrup, Lordship. Lordship, I'll give you 1 minute time, Lord. I'll just.
That is also equally important for us.
Correct.
Is there Kamrup Metro?
Yes, yes, Kamrup Metro only.
Which date?
Lordship, give me. I'll give the. I'll give. Yes, yes. I'll give it.
Declare of the respondent of the
But I'll give the FR number and date and the code.
on which date the order was?
Lordship.
Order passed by the
Lordship.
There will be a single bench time will not permit us waiver is there, even for his lordship's code, I think so. Because we have to write it.